Hi, I'm Jack Sheridan,
I'm Jefferson Chen.
And I'm Arvin Lin.
and our project for CSE 145 and 237D is hardware continuous integration testing for the Tock operating system.
But first, what is Tock? Tock is an embedded operating system that's low power and lightweight. It's perfect for applications where size, power, or processing is limited, such as sensor networks, security chips, and wearables.
Are you a Tock operating system developer? Do you suffer with long manual embedded hardware testing? Do you spend hours building features on top of potential bugs? Well, then, do I have the product for you?
Let's take a look at what we set out to do. Imagine you're a Tock operating system developer, and you want to update the Tock operating system. Now imagine if there was some magic box that every single time you created a new feature, you get real hardware test results right away. And that's exactly what we built. Let me show you what it looks like. That's a Raspberry Pi, and it acts as the brains of the operation. And it's connected to the target hardware, which is an embedded board that the Tock operating system supports. But how does it work? Well, imagine you're that Tock operating system developer. You accept a pull request on GitHub. GitHub then triggers the Raspberry Pi to start the workflow. The Raspberry Pi then grabs the latest Tock operating system, tests, and config files from various repositories. It then builds, installs, and runs the tests on the target board. The outcome of those tests, including logs, are then sent back to GitHub. Finally, GitHub displays these results on the GitHub Actions tab. Let me show you what this looks like in a live demo. First, we create a phony commit to start up the whole workflow. Then we head over to the Actions tab to see the current running process. We can see the Raspberry Pi compiling the Tock OS in real time. After a minute or so, we can see the Raspberry Pi installing the Tock OS onto the target board. When the installation is finished, we can watch as the test we wrote outputs in real time. Finally, when everything is done, we can see those three green check marks that everyone loves. But so what? It's cool that we built a test harness for one of the Tock operating system boards, but what about all the other boards? Actually, we built it to support all of the boards that Tock supports, and even future boards. We built a repository that allows anyone to create their own test harness and connect it to our test harness network, so eventually, any update to the Tock operating system will get instantly tested on every board that Tock can run on. It's been an awesome project to work on, and we loved building something new that people will use. We can't wait to see what the team will build next. Thanks for watching.